8 high-paying jobs that could make you a millionaire. Want to be a millionaire? You don't need to start a business or win the lottery to get there. Believe it or not, there are jobs out there that can make you a millionaire if you play your cards right. And guess what? You might already be on the right path. Today, we're going to break down 8 high-paying jobs that could lead you to financial freedom faster than you think. Welcome to Wise Touch, where we help future billionaires like you build wealth and success. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's dive in. Job 1, software engineer. In today's tech-driven world, software engineers are like the architects of the digital universe. Every app you use, website you visit, or game you play is the result of a software engineer's creativity and technical skills. This career is not just in high demand, but it's also one of the most lucrative paths you can take. Companies in almost every industry need software engineers to build, maintain, and improve their digital infrastructure. The average salary for a software engineer starts at around $120,000 per year. But that's just the beginning. As you gain experience and move into senior positions, you can easily make $200,000 or more, especially if you work in high-cost living areas like Silicon Valley or for tech giants like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft. If you're wondering how to break into this field, there are multiple routes. A traditional path involves earning a bachelor's degree in computer science or software engineering, but that's not your only option. Many people are now turning to coding boot camps, which can get you job ready in as little as 6 months. The key to success is constant learning. New programming languages and frameworks are always emerging, so staying on top of the latest trends is essential. Job 2, investment banker. Investment bankers are the financial wizards behind some of the biggest deals in the corporate world. They help companies raise capital, facilitate mergers and acquisitions, and advise on complex financial transactions. While it's a demanding job, it comes with some serious financial rewards. Investment banking is known for its incredibly high pay, especially as you rise through the ranks. Starting salaries for investment bankers can range from $150,000 to $200,000 per year, and that's before bonuses. In fact, bonuses often make up a significant portion of their income, which means experienced bankers can bring in millions annually. If you're good at what you do, the earning potential is nearly limitless. Of course, investment banking isn't for everyone. It's one of the most stressful and time-consuming jobs out there. Expect long hours, high pressure, and a lot of competition. But for those who can handle the intensity, the rewards, both financial and professional, are immense. Job 3, medical doctor, specialist. Becoming a medical doctor is a dream for many, but specializing in fields like neurology, cardiology, or surgery can make that dream even more rewarding, both personally and financially. Specialists are among the highest paid professionals in the healthcare industry, thanks to the complexity and importance of their work. Medical specialists can earn anywhere from $250,000 to over $500,000 annually, depending on their area of expertise and geographic location. Fields like neurosurgery, orthopedics, and cardiology tend to be the most lucrative as they require highly specialized skills and experience. However, becoming a specialist isn't a quick path. You'll need to invest years into education, including medical school, residency, and sometimes even fellowship training. The journey can take over a decade, but the payoff is substantial. In addition to the high salary, specialists have the ability to change lives every day, which makes the long hours and years of study well worth it. Job 4, corporate lawyer. Corporate lawyers play a critical role in advising businesses on everything from mergers and acquisitions to intellectual property and regulatory compliance. In a world where companies are constantly navigating complex legal landscapes, corporate lawyers are in high demand. Top corporate lawyers can easily earn over $200,000 per year, with many making much more depending on their client base, location, and experience. Those who work in prestigious law firms or manage their own private practices often see their earnings skyrocket with bonuses and high-profile cases. Job 5, airline pilot. Flying the skies isn't just a dream job for adventure lovers, it's also a high-paying career with excellent benefits. Airline pilots, especially those flying for major international airlines, are well compensated for their skills and experience. Pilots can earn anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 per year. International pilots flying long-haul routes or those in senior positions tend to make the higher end of that range. And let's not forget the incredible travel perks that come with the job. Job 6, entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is one of the most direct paths to building wealth, but it's also one of the riskiest. Entrepreneurs create, build, and scale businesses, and their income potential is virtually limitless. However, success doesn't come easy. You need a unique idea, a strong work ethic, and the ability to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurship requires perseverance and an innovative mindset to stand out in competitive markets. The road to success can be long and full of challenges, but for those who succeed, the financial and personal rewards are tremendous. While the earning potential for entrepreneurs varies greatly, the most successful entrepreneurs can make millions, even billions over time. Whether you start a tech company, launch a product line, or open a restaurant chain, the potential to build wealth is enormous. However, many businesses fail in the first few years, so it's crucial to remain resilient and adaptable. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. Those who are willing to take that leap and push through tough times often find themselves in the position to reap the benefits of their hard work. Job 7. Dentist. Dentists are healthcare professionals who provide essential services that contribute to people's overall well-being, making it a rewarding career both personally and financially. Whether performing routine cleanings or addressing more complex dental issues, dentists are in high demand due to the universal need for oral health care. The work is hands-on with the satisfaction of helping patients maintain their health and confidence through their smiles. And beyond the emotional rewards, dentistry is a career that offers excellent financial stability. The average salary for a general dentist is around $150,000 per year, but this number can increase significantly for those who specialize. Orthodontists, oral surgeons, and periodontists can earn over $250,000 annually, with the potential for even higher earnings if they own a private practice. The combination of high demand, specialized skills, and the opportunity for self-employment makes dentistry a lucrative career path. Job 8. Real estate developer. Real estate development is a highly lucrative field that involves purchasing, renovating, or constructing properties to sell or lease. Developers often take on projects ranging from residential buildings to commercial complexes, with the goal of transforming a property into something more valuable. The key to success in this field is understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and managing projects effectively. Real estate development combines business acumen, financial management, and creativity. The earning potential for real estate developers can be staggering, especially for those working on large-scale projects. Successful developers can make millions annually, depending on the scope and scale of their projects. Whether you're working on a luxury apartment complex or a downtown office building, the profits can be substantial. However, it's important to note that real estate development comes with significant financial risks, so thorough research and smart investments are essential. There you have it. Remember, it's not just about the paycheck. Building wealth also involves smart saving, investing, and cultivating a growth mindset. The journey to becoming a millionaire is about more than just the job. It's about making the right financial decisions along the way. Thanks for watching.